last video, there's masterclass, where they teach you everything. Then there's boss class.
Alright, yeah!
Anyway guys, today, this may sound a little wacky for the musicians out there, but we're going to be covering what is the difference between a bassoon and an oboe. I've been asked numerous times, people think this is an oboe.
Come on.
And I guess it's not really too clear because the bassoon and oboe are instruments that not a lot of people know about. So, you know, some people think this is an oboe. This is a bassoon, guys. It is brown and 4.5 feet tall, with the curvy metal tube coming out. The oboe looks very similar to a clarinet. I'll pop up a picture right here. And it has a little bassoon reed that's a little bit smaller sticking out of the top. So it's basically a clarinet with a little bassoon reed sticking out of the top. Looks pretty similar to a clarinet. I don't play oboes, so I don't know the exact details, but this guy does. That's an oboe, and this is a bassoon. And then my bassoon teacher makes it sound like jazz. It's cool too. Look at this guy. It's good. Basically, the similarities between a bassoon and an oboe, they're both double reed instruments. So if you look at the reeds, they both have two reeds stacked on top of one another, making this sort of oval shape. The oboe reed is a bit smaller. That's the only similarity, is it? Some people call the bassoon a farting bedpost. Looks like a bedpost. And some people call the oboe a duck. I don't know, maybe that one's not as common, but yeah. Some people think oboes sound like a duck. The duck and the farting bedpost of the double reed instruments, guys. So I hope that clears up some of those basic questions about the bassoon and the oboe. Stay tuned, I have many videos in the making, and yeah. Is the popcorn done yet? We don't have popcorn.